One of the many great aspects to Workday Adaptive Planning is the dashboarding. In a previous video, I introduced dashboarding and showed how to create a dashboard from scratch. A typical dashboard can consist of financial information, such as you're seeing here, even CRM information, sales information, and other operational type of data. With adaptive planning, the sky is the limit. One very unique feature in adaptive planning is the ability to combine dashboards with planning. So now you can have a user come into the system and from a dashboard, complete their tasks related to some form of planning. Take a look at this basic example. This dashboard is showing us our budgeted headcount expenses as well as what we're forecasting for the year. Let's pretend we landed some new contracts and needed to significantly increase our hourly staffing to accommodate these new contracts. Right from this dashboard, I can go ahead and increase my hourly employees. Now I'm going to do it in dramatic fashion so that you can easily see the result. I'm going to go from 1 manager to 100 for the remainder of the year, and from 5 senior technicians to 500 for the remainder of the year. And now once I save that, you're going to see immediate results within this dashboard. So you can now see, as expected, the forecast changed from 29.3 to 60.4 million. But as you would expect, the budgeted headcount, because we've saved that budget off, remained the same. Customers of Workday Adaptive Planning really appreciate this feature of being able to plan from the dashboard, and I'm sure you will as well. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach us at revelwood.com.